Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel. This is the Tech News Update. We are Friday, January 4th, 2019. And today in our Tech News Update, we have Windows Insider Preview. Surprise, surprise, yesterday. A Windows Insider build was released for the fast ring. And this was a surprise as we are just, barely coming back from the Christmas holiday season. Build 18305 was 309, was released late yesterday. Doesn't have a lot of new features. Lots of focus on the sign-in and a few little things. I'll have my review coming up today, so if you want to learn a little more, check that out. It's coming up later today. OneDrive has a feature that was on the PC side. On the PC side, we all had for a while something called Files on Demand, which that basically lets you just download the files that you're using and leave the other ones on the OneDrive, so it uses less space on your PC. Well, that feature was not available on Mac, and now it is. The latest update to OneDrive on Mac computers gives this possibility. Well, business and government spending and Internet of Things devices will increase 15.4% in 2019. And this is according to IDC, where they say that devices, all sorts of connected devices, are gaining popularity in every sphere of technology. Well, they also say that by 2022, the spending in Internet of Things devices will actually reach $1 trillion a year. And Avast, everybody knows Avast, or almost. Which for a while was one of the popular free antivirus. Things have changed though. Well, Avast has released its annual report on the most important threats of 2019. And one of them, Internet of Things attacks, is one of them that will be a big problem, especially for badly configured devices and unsecured units. Fake apps will be more popular than ever on your mobile devices, so make sure that you're careful. And something that was new this year, AI, it's called basically AI or adversarial AI. And it's the use of artificial intelligence to basically attack AI system. And the way that it does it is to try to use AI to fool humans and to, of course, having all sorts of data theft and problems. So, every time there's something new happening, there's something new bad happening at the same time. Well, Qualcomm has deposited a required $1 billion to the German courts in order to have Apple stop selling its iPhone 7 and 8 in the country. And it has pretty much succeeded, as Apple has stopped selling them in Germany. Of course, this is over the fight between Qualcomm and Apple in patents and all sorts of little gizmos that they're just going crazy against each other. Well, Huawei has done something. We know employees, or we know that companies actually don't often enjoy the fact that employees might use a competition device. Well, Huawei doesn't like it at all. They actually basically demoted and decreased the pay of 2 of its employees because they were found to tweet from iPhones instead of Huawei devices. Amid sluggish sales around the world, because we've learned that Apple did say that sales were not that great, but it seems to be mostly a problem around the world, because it says that in Canada and the US this holiday season, they had a record number of activations for iPhones. That means in North America, sales are probably good. It's really around the world that it's not great. And finally, a few weeks ago, we learned that Marriott had been hacked and millions of users' personal details and credit cards were in the wild. Well, we learned today that 5 million passport numbers are also stolen in this hack, which is a pretty big deal, actually. So, of course, if you've been one of the users there, be careful. And this was a Tech News Update for Friday, January 4th, 2019. Enjoy our videos. Please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.